Hello guys, welcome back to Sun Crypto. In today's content, we're going to talk about Bitcoin. We're going to take a look at Bitcoin on a 2-day basis, or we're also going to take a look at the MACD, and we're also going to take a look at the volume and try to determine if like we could possibly break 58, 59K area and basically continue the uptrend, or if price action going to get rejected and retest some prices right here before the next leg up to the upside. Okay, both scenarios are possible, but we're just gonna basically try to determine which is which has the highest probability of playing out. Okay, the overall trend, once again, I'm still bullish. As I said, it nothing has changed. Even if like we dip 20% over the next few days and so on, I'm still going to stay bullish. And I said it on the 22nd, I said it on the 14th when Bitcoin was dropping. Market was pretty bloody, and I was saying, guys, no need to be panicking. I'm not gonna be panicking because I'm still gonna be buying the dip. In our premium, we've been buying the dip 42, 43. Ethereum, we've been buying the dip 13, 14, right, 1300, 1400, and right now Ethereum is almost at 1900, and we said 1971 could possibly be the highest point. Ethereum going to be retesting. Can it retest above 2000? Yes, but anything above 1971 for Ethereum going to be pretty crucial. We're going to take a look at Ethereum in another video, right? So before we get started, guys, make sure to hit the likes, right? Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you find the content useful, you can always join my public Telegram group, link in the description. Okay, also at the same time, you can if you're looking to join Send Crypto Premium, you can definitely join Send Crypto Premium, so you can basically get access of these like a beautiful setup, as we've been anticipating BTC to retest like a 43 low 40k area before the retest of 52. We did that exactly. After that, we hit our target, we took profit and basically took another long position right here, and we're looking for 50 57.5 all the way up to 58. So we're basically killing it, guys. Even our alt setup, one of our juiciest alt setup, CHR, we killing it. Okay, we killing COTI, we killing BLZ, right? And all of that, and all of those macro target for alt, we've been killing it. You can take a look at one of our setup for 1 BTC, we killing it. Okay, so and many other alt. Okay, guys, we've been killing it over the last like a few days and so on. You can see like ADA, we've been pretty bullish on ADA when ADA was like 900 sats all the way up to 3000 sats, guys. Over 200% move for this alt, right? So if you're looking to join Send Crypto Premium, you can definitely access my Discord channel by basically subscribing to the premium group, right? So now let's dive into the analysis regarding Bitcoin. So when you take a look at Bitcoin, guys, we're just gonna revise what we said previously, right? Because it makes a lot of sense, right? When you basically know exactly what you're doing and follow a procedure. What I mean a procedure, what we said right here was like, as long as we above the 2-day 21 EMA, sucker is pretty bullish. Okay, right here, what we said right here at low 30Ks, when bear's been looking for lower prices at 18 and all of that good stuff, what we said, we're gonna be pumping to a 50K, right? We pump like all the way up to 58, 59, give or take, right? So after the big drop a couple weeks ago, February 22nd, what we said, guys, we're gonna be buying the dip. We're not worried about like a BTC dropping. Any drops above the any drops down to the 2-day 21 EMA, just going to be a correction. So we corrected down, and we've been anticipating the move back up to 58. So that's why we took a long position at 43 up to 57, and we got out after we broke 52 again. We took another long position, and now we're taking it all the way up to the moon, right? So we're pretty good. We closed 70% of our position, and just letting the market do the work. Can it break above 57? Yes. Can it break above like a 60K? Yes, but we need a confirmation. What type of confirmation we're going to be looking for? We're going to be looking for our MACD. Okay, if our MACD can stay bullish right here while price action staying above previous high right there, 58, 59, because candle gonna close like in 24 hours, so we got another day to close the 2-day candle. So the next 24 hours, okay, up to 72 hours going to be crucial, because remember the weekend is like almost around the corner, so we just have to keep that in mind, because we have to take a look at also the 7-day cycle and the weekly cycle. They're going to play a crucial role over the next 72 hours, right? So the next major target we could be looking for, it is definitely 75 to 85. But once again guys, we're not going to pump all the way up to 75 to 85 in one go. Okay, it has to correct. We just don't know how as of now what type of correction we can make. Okay, so sucker can still pump and drop and go to the upside, or sucker can basically just retrace down all the way down to a mid 40k to low 40ks before going to the upside. But we're going to take a look at it once we get a confirmation right here. Another thing is like the volume right here, right? So when you take a look at the volume, we could say, hey, we're pretty bearish on our volume. Low volume right here. Last time we were pumping from 30k up to basically 58k. BTC, the volume was pretty pretty high on BTC. Okay, so right now the volume is pretty low. The way we're retesting basically the previous high is kind of like not very convincing, so we just have to be very cautious. Once again, I'm very bullish, but we just correcting. This move is not something like we haven't seen before. It's not a new price. We're not seeing like new prices. We just retesting previous high. That's all. Okay, so now let's go ahead and basically take a look at BTC on an 8-hour basis. So if you take a look at BTC on an 8-hour basis, one of the reasons why we basically flip bullish right there. Okay, after we got the confirmation right here, we got the rejection at just about like a 51, 52 area. Price waited for the 8-hour candle to close above 52, which was our previous take profit. We said, guys, we're gonna take it to the upside. Okay, now you can see like we basically respecting closing basis right there. Okay, so talking about closing basis, we just have to flip on the 7-day basis, right? So when you take a look at the 7-day basis, sucker is very bullish. Okay, sucker is very bullish, as we said previously. All right there, we needed to close above 52, okay, on the 7-day basis. So on the higher time frame, we basically starting to regain control on the 7-day basis. So candle gonna close just about like, when we're going to close this candle on the 12th. So we got 2 days guys to go. So in 48 hours we're going to close this candle. That's why I'm saying the next 24 to 72 hours is going to be crucial. Why it is going to be crucial? Because the 7 days is already bullish, but if you check the weekly time frame, the weekly time frame is respecting what? Resistance right there. So we got a bullish confluence right here, where we got our weekly time frame pretty much try to break resistance, but we got our 7-day basis already above resistance. You see what I'm saying? Based on closing basis. But I'm just going to respect this time. I'm going to respect the weekly time frame and see if bull's going to be able to close above like a 58. It is going to be very important. Remember guys, on our 2-day basis, right, we're going to need MACD to stay bullish, and in order for MACD to stay bullish, price action has to close above 58, which is a previous high right here. And at the same time, we need to basically pay attention to the weekly, because the 2-day time frame, okay, can close above 58, right? But the weekly might not close above 58. So it is going to be very crucial over the next 72 hours. So if we get rejection guys, I'm gonna give you guys an update, because I don't think like it is gonna be a small rejection. Sucker has to basically dump all the way down. It could be like a 5 to 7 days dump all the way back down to a 45 to a 42, 45 to a 43, low 43 range right here. Okay, which is also closing basis. But it is not time to talk about the bearish setup. Once we get the confirmation for the bearish setup, I'm going to give you guys an update, right? But main thing I'm paying attention to is like 58. okay, over the next like a 72 hours, not the next like 24 hours or like a 5 hour or 6 hour and all of that good stuff. Over the next like a 72 hours, we just have to pay attention to 58 and try to close above it and see if the bulls gonna be keeping up the momentum, right? So that's all I wanted to cover for today, guys. If you're new to my content, you know exactly what to do. Do not forget to hit the likes. Don't forget to join the public Telegram group, link in the description. If you're looking to join Send Premium, you can definitely join Send Premium. For my alt setup, we got some incredible moves like CHR, COTI, guys. We got band, we got like a blue Zell, we got AST BTC ready to pump, guys, and many other alt. If you take a look at basically our favorite picks, guys, I showed you guys my favorite picks. AST BTC, it is still, guys, moving sideways. Beautiful setup for a very big move over the next like a few weeks and so on. You take a look at one of our favorite pick, CHR, guys. We nailed it. We started buying CHR at 70 sats, guys. Right now we're still looking for over 800 sats. DATA, it is also one of our February picks, looking to break above like the weekly 21 EMA. We got a target all the way up, guys, to 1000 sats. FET BTC, one of our February picks, guys, already took off. Started buying at 150 to 200 sats, guys. We already up, guys, above like 800 sats. That's over 400% move, guys. Go BTC, we're already up over 100% on our Go BTC setup. Sucker gonna be mooning all the way up to like nearly 200 sats. Right now we just about like 55 sats, guys. OXT BTC, guys, also still moving sideways, looking to a breakout over the next like a few weeks and so on. So keep an eye on OXT BTC and Go BTC, FET, DATA, CHR, and AST BTC. They're likely to do some great stuff over the next like a few weeks and all so on, right? All right, guys, thanks a lot for watching.